Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chantel and today I am doing another celebrity inspired makeup look. This look is, you would have seen on the thumbnail, it is Olivia Munn and I'm pretty sure Patrick Star did her makeup. He put it on Instagram and it's called Lavender Beauty. So I saw on Patrick Star's Instagram that he did quite a couple of like lavender looks. He did one with Olivia and Ariana Grande and I just love like lavender purple so much. I think it is so pretty and yeah, I really wanted to do this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this, just keep on watching. Okay, so my brows and my base is on. So we're just going to get straight onto the eyes and I'm going to use two palettes for this look today. So I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, the 35S. And I'm just going to be taking one shade out of this, I think. And it's this lilac shade. And I'm also going to be using my Colourpop My Little Pony palette. And I'm going to dip into this purple shimmery shade as well. So just taking my Morphe M505 brush and just going in with that lilac shade from Morphe. I'm going to place this like all over. And then I'm just going to take my Zoeva 230 brush and I'm going to use that same shade and put it underneath my eye. And I'm going to really smoke this out. So now I'm going into the My Little Pony palette and I'm just going to take my finger and pop this on the lid. It is such a pretty shade. So in the photo it looks like she has just some like eyeliner on her lash line. So I'm going to do this off camera because it's just too hard. But I'm just taking the Maybelline Master Liner and just going to run that along my lash line. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and I'm going to put on some lashes as well. Okay, so lashes are on and I just used the Model Rock 212 lashes, I'm pretty sure. But like, what a difference like lashes make and like mascara to a look. Stunning. But I just had another look at the picture and it looks like she's got a little bit of pink happening. So I just put some of this shade just like in the crease and I think that looks pretty damn good, hun. So now onto highlighter for the inner corner and this is new for me. It is the Colourpop Over the Moon Super Shock highlighter. It is like a purple pearl. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks so pretty and I cannot wait to play. I'm just going to take that same Zoeva pencil brush So in the photo it doesn't look like there is much contouring going on, so I'm just going to do a real light bronze using the Master Sculpt by Maybelline. I just love this one so much because it's more of a cool toned bronzer. And just taking my Zoeva 105 brush. To cheeks, she has more of like pink cheeks, so I'm going to take this NARS Sarah Moon cheek and lip palette called Recurring Dare, I think that's how you say it, and I'm going to take this one right here. Okay. Now my favorite part, the highlighter. Alright. So, for the first time I'm going to actually apply my highlighter with my finger. And I'm pretty scared. But I'm just going to put it on. I mean, what? Okay. That is so pretty. Oh. OMG. Yes. Yes. Oh. Stunning. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose. Okay, onto lips. She has more of like a nudie pink lip going on. So I'm going to take this nude lip liner by Maybelline called Nude Whisper 105. And then I'm taking this beautiful lipstick by Bare Minerals called Tutu. It's just a beautiful pink shade. I absolutely love this colour so much. And she has a little bit of a glossy lip, so I'm going to take this Tinted Nourishing Lip Oil by W7. I absolutely love this. Like, if you have dry lips, this is amazing. So guys, this is the final finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so fun to do and I feel like a lavender princess right now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!